Hi, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Did you ever walk outside your home, look at the exterior, and feel a sense of discontent? If so, this could be a sign it's time to upgrade your exterior with a new coat of paint. Painting your home's exterior is one of the best ways to elevate your home, boost curb appeal, and scratch that itch for change that's been bothering you. But with virtually endless options available, how do you pick the right color for your home? Because choosing a color can be overwhelming and difficult, this video is going to provide 7 things to consider to help you choose the right colors for your home's exterior. Number 1, what is your current exterior paint color? What do you like about your current color? What don't you like about your current color? Do you want a color similar to it or completely different? Looking at your current paint color and outlining what you like and don't like about it will help you get the gears turning on why you want to change your home's exterior and envision what you want it to look like in the future. Number 2, what is the landscaping and decor like around your home's exterior? You want to look at what shades and tones are around your home to ensure the new color you choose will match seamlessly. The last thing you want is to choose a new paint color that does not match the rest of your home. Looking at existing elements of your home's exterior will bring clarity to the tones and shades that will match your home and help you find a new color that will elevate your home, not lower its aesthetics. Number 3, what is the architectural style of your home? Traditional style homes can be more flexible to a variety of colors, from vibrant blues to muted beige. Bright blues, yellows, and pastels fit coastal style homes but may not fit a colonial style home. Considering the architecture of your home can help you research specific colors that complement the style of your home. Number 4, do you want a similar color or a drastic change? You've thought about what you like and don't like about the current color of your home. This sparks the next question. Do you want to choose a similar color or a drastic change? If all rules and regulations were removed, what color would you want your home to be? Without considering your landscaping, permanent fixtures on your home, or societal standards, think about what color you really want to paint your home. If you find yourself gravitating towards a bright and vibrant color but don't want to bring down the sophistication of your home, perhaps choosing a muted yet colorful hue will suit you. Number 5, what is the climate like in your area? The climate in which you live can heavily influence the color you choose for your exterior. If you live in an area where clouds and rain are more common than sunshine, then maybe you want to choose a bright color to lighten up your home and bring vibrancy to the exterior. Or maybe you want a darker hue to match the climate. If you live in an area with intense sunlight like San Antonio, choosing dark colors may not be your best option. Constant sunlight can cause darker colors to fade quickly, which may not be ideal for southern homes. Consulting with a local professional familiar with exterior performance in your area will help you choose the right color that will look great on your home and last. Number 6, do you have any homeowners association guidelines to follow? If you live in a residential neighborhood with an HOA, it's important to check the rules and guidelines for any remodeling restrictions. Regarding exterior painting, most HOAs have rules regarding specific colors that are and aren't allowed in the neighborhood. While HOAs cannot enforce these rules, they can fine you for not following them. So unless you want to pay the price to go against the rules, following your HOA guidelines is helpful in choosing the right exterior color for your home. Number 7, do you plan to sell your home anytime soon? Think about it. If you were shopping for a new home, would you be more attracted to one with a standard, neutral, and chic color, or a bright color that sticks out like a sore thumb? If you want to paint your home's exterior but know you plan to sell in the near future, sticking to neutral colors will help maintain your exterior as well as keep it hot on the market. A home with bright colors that aren't typically seen can be seen as less attractive to a potential buyer who won't want to have to pay to repaint the exterior once they buy the home. Choosing the best exterior color for your home. Remember to consider these 7 things to better help you choose the right color for your home. Your current exterior paint color, the landscaping and decor outside your home's architectural style, whether you want a similar color or a drastic change, the climate in your area, HOA guidelines, and if you plan to sell your home anytime soon. Considering these factors will help you better outline your goals and your wants for the exterior of your home and allow you to choose the right color for your home. To better help you find the right color for your home, check out the article linked above that outlines 24 of the hottest Sherwin-Williams exterior paint colors for 2024. From vibrant blues to neutral grays, then you can get more inspiration for your home's new color and take the next steps in finding the right solution for you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.